Now I'll start with body, margin 0, then background of the background color. After that I will create the middle portion, then I will give the border. Then let's give it a attribute selector. Then what I can do, I can create 3 divs, or I can do before after also, right? Yes, just create a, then I'll go for before after, then give it a class of a background of no, just wait for to see now. Wait, how much? 80 to 90, 30 pixel, and height could be 100 to 100 pixel, and then display grid place items center, little bit of width 5, maybe 40. Oh, 40 looks great. Now border is going to 20 pixels solid, but the border width is different for both sides. So border top width must be 10 pixels. Yes, I can do it. Height, top and bottom will be different. UTT on bottom right. Now let's the match side one first. 20, 80, 60, right? Yes. 30, 40. 30 and 30. Hers look great. Then color is going to be this one. Okay. Now a after content position relative position absolute, then width 20, 20, height 20, background to see this one I can do directly. Okay, here it is. Then left 100%, minus 100%, so minus 100, or this left minus 140, 80. Okay, if I change the width now to 30, 40, 50, and then I have to add 4, means 120, 110, right? Let's say more 10 pixel, 20, and give it. Okay, now height is 60, 80, 100, 100 looks great, and same will happen for before, and it will be right. Now hit submit. How much time it will take? I don't know release time, but I did it. Nice. Thank you for watching, guys.